For this video, we'll demonstrate how to access your data transfers manifest within the MLADU Concierge Portal. Before we begin, let's review what a manifest is and how it relates to your MLADU data transfer request. A transfer manifest is a detailed record that lists every file included in a completed transfer, along with its corresponding metadata. It serves as a definitive reference of all files transferred completely and without alteration, containing assets like file paths, file names, checksums, and additional metadata specific to the data transfer pattern. With each completed data transfer, MLADU provides a manifest to support data integrity verification, enabling users to confidently perform integrity checks on the transferred data. Now that we have a basic understanding of what a data transfer manifest is and its importance, let's begin the walkthrough. To get started, navigate to the MLADU login page and enter your authorized user credentials to access your MLADU portal. After logging in, select the Completed button on the left navigation bar to access the record of your organization's completed data transfers. Next, select the transfer ID associated with the data transfer whose manifest you want to view. The details and audit log of the selected data transfer will appear on the following page. From this step, you can access the Progress Notes section by scrolling down towards the bottom of the page, or by clicking the Progress Notes link in the top right corner of the screen to go directly to the audit log. Within this section, navigate to the specific progress note that mentions the data transfer's manifest, and select the green highlighted link to view your transfer manifest in a new tab. To learn more about MLADU and its capabilities, be sure to check out our channel for more videos or visit our site at MLADU.com for more information. For any questions or assistance, feel free to reach out to us at contactus@MLADU.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.